Loosen these off first.
Loosen the crossbars off first.
Yep.
Both ends.
Yep.
Yours is loose, Joy. Undo the things. I better get out.
Down to the bolt.
It trapped me inside.
Down to the bolt. You could have still got out there.
Oh yeah, I could have.
And then you got to press the little button there.
Little button.
That little button to get that out of there.
Oh yeah, and slide that down.
And that'll go down there and lock to there. Yeah.
Just lock to that first point.
Yeah, it just stays there. Because once you put it up, it'll all be together. Anyway.
Yep. You're gonna be on YouTube, Joy. You're gonna be a star.
Ah, dear, oh dear. Then you've got to wind it up.
Oh, so that little thing.
Slides down.
So this was up and slide it down.
Yep.
That's only on one side though, isn't it? Yep.
On one side. Everything happens from here.
Yeah, that's the mechanism there.
So the idea is a lot of
And that's it. Now what do we have to do?
I know. Push it in, make sure this is all come in together.
Yep.
Tighten that nut.
Tighten the nut down here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Push this one in. You right?
Yep. Click. You've done yours too, Joy?
Yep.
Yep.
Tighten them.
And then you get your Velcro straps. This is just extra added security.
Yeah.
I think that's smart, yeah.
Like it's not hard to put some Velcro straps on.
Now this fella. He'll ride there like that. Now here, you've got to get down through there, see?
She's lucky I'm tall.
Go through. You have to stand on the step.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Now make sure here that you don't get round the links, see?
All right, beauty. This is your baby, isn't it? Just the way you fuss over the keys. I love it.
Oh dear.
You're going to miss the Caravan?
We will miss it, yes. We've had a lot of fun in it. And, but, you know, people said, oh, you know, you can